Hi everyone, in front of me I've got my phone N23 and let me share with you how to activate automatic system updates on this device. So let's start with opening the settings, and then we have to scroll down to the very bottom to find about phone. Now let's enter the version. And here keep tapping on the build number until you'll see that you're in the developer mode and confirm it with your screen lock if you've got one. If you want to learn more about the developer options, I highly recommend to check our tutorial about it. So now we can go back to the general settings and enter the system. Now let's tap on the developer options. And here all you have to do is to scroll down a little bit to find automatic system updates. Simply tap on the switcher, and from now on, since this option is active, your device will apply the updates whenever it will be restarted. So you do not have to manually update your device. However, remember about restarting it from time to time, so it will have a chance to apply the updates. Of course, you can turn this option off just by tapping on the switcher again. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.